This is the IrajStarTv. Young man killed in accident. Mirpur speeding car driver crushed a young man riding a motorcycle. The young man died on the way to the hospital. The heirs reached the hospital and forgave the car driver. He left for the village with his dead body according to details. A resident of Jundi Chontra area of Bhimber district was going to work in Ehtesham Jatlan. The speeding car driven by Haji Omar hit the motorcyclist. As a result, young Ehtesham Sadiq, a motorcyclist, was seriously injured. He was brought to Government Hospital Mirpur but not recovering from his injuries. The young man lost his life on being informed of the accident. In charge Jatlan Police Post Arshad Mahmood along with his personnel will reach the spot and inform the heirs of the deceased youth. While the car driver Haji Omar was arrested, later the heirs of the deceased youth declared the accident as accident and forgave the car driver. Haji Omar will leave. Viewers, you too must express your opinion in the comment box. For more news and updates, subscribe to our channel.